Hello everyone, welcome to the 7th instalment of our mini-series showcasing Copilot for M365. In this video, we're going to be looking at how Copilot can help us create new tables and add data to them. So Copilot for M365 in Excel can help users analyze and filter data faster to get immediate results. In this example, we have some product and sales data on an Excel sheet for a fictional company that sells e-bikes. So, just to show you, we're going to go over to the Copilot button, as we have done in all of our previous videos. And we're going to ask Copilot to add a column for profit margin. So this is really a simple instruction for Copilot, as all it takes is to automatically generate a formula and insert a new column. Here we go. And what's great about this is that it can automatically analyze our data to come up with a formula, and it also explains how it's been calculated. So once you're happy with the result, we can add the column to the table. There we go, and there's our profit margin. So now we're going to apply conditional formatting to make our data stand out, a task which used to be complex. Simply ask Copilot to mark all items with negative profit margin. So we're in the margin column. So now that we've created new tables and added data to them, in our next video, we're going to be leveraging Copilot to provide us with insights on our data.